Hello and welcome to our next video and lecture from our course 5 ways to start an online home based business. So previously we have talked about how to start a home based business with affiliate marketing and video reviews. That is a business model that costs you absolutely zero money in the beginning. And now we will talk about something for which you might need let's say a small financial investment, but you can start with under $100. But sometimes you can even start with $0. Basically, this is physical products arbitrage, or a lot of people call it drop shipping. So let's see what drop shipping is all about. Basically, here is the process, okay? So first things first, what you want to do is go ahead and create accounts on big marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Now, what you need to understand, this type of drop shipping that we are talking about here, it's a little bit different than the Shopify drop shipping that you probably have heard about. Why? Because this type of drop shipping, it's based on the price differences between different huge marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. What does that mean? That, for example, the same item, the same product on Amazon sells for, let's say, $15, and on eBay it sells for $23. Now, what you can do is list that product that you found on Amazon at $15 on eBay for $22, so that you are below your competition. And basically, when somebody will buy the product from eBay, you just order the product from Amazon and send it to that buyer on eBay, and you will earn from the price difference, right? Actually, you will earn the $7. That will be your profit margin. So this is pretty easy to do because you don't need a website, you don't need anything fancy like that. You just need to find this type of products, and this type of products also sell very well and don't have huge competition, right? So what we want to do is look for products with high demand and that are selling very, very well, okay? You can also look for the trends to find good selling products. For example, at a specific point, we did a test with Pokemon Go, okay? We sold like a Pokemon hat, a Pokemon Go hat. It was after the first month after the Pokemon craze started. Then what you need to do, the next thing, is to spot the price differences between marketplaces. That's how you choose the products, okay? We recommend you to have at least a 45% price difference, so that would be your profit margin, because you might have other costs that you might not be aware of at the moment, like transportation or other things like that. Then what you need to do is list the products on the marketplace with the higher prices, and when you get orders, you just order from the other marketplace and send it directly to the client, so the product doesn't even go through your hands, okay? You just send it directly to the client, and that is that. Now, how to find the products and how to actually do this type of business. So you spot the differences between marketplaces, and this is the easiest and fastest way. So you look on all the big marketplaces, like you go on Amazon and look on Amazon, you go on eBay and look on eBay, you see which are the top selling products, and you see if there are price differences between the marketplaces, okay? If somewhere the same product is sold for a higher price. After that, what you can do is find other suppliers, okay? So besides the marketplaces, for that product is another good option to find other suppliers, okay? To see if you can find the product even cheaper, like Best Buy, Walmart, Sears, Overstock, and others that can have cheaper prices than even the lowest price marketplace. The supplier option might be harder, so the easiest way is just to look between marketplaces. It's a little bit more research to do to look on at the other suppliers too, and it might be a little bit harder in the beginning, but it can give you better profit margins, right? Because you can find the product even cheaper. On the long run, you want to diversify and create as many product listings on the marketplaces as possible, so you can have more chances to sell. So basically, this is how this works. It's not complicated at all, okay? Now, in the next video, I am going to show you some examples so you can understand better how this works. As a simple example, we will use Amazon and eBay, but you can use other sources as well, and I will tell you more about those in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next lecture.